AI is revolutionizing the way we create art. From turning simple text prompts into stunning visuals to generating hyper-realistic images, AI image generators are changing the creative landscape. But how do they work? And which one is the best? Today, we're comparing three of the biggest names in AI image generation: DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. Let's dive in. AI image generators use deep learning models trained on massive datasets of images and text descriptions. By analyzing patterns, they can generate brand new, high-quality images based on just a few words. Whether you need a fantasy landscape, a futuristic portrait, or a completely surreal artwork, AI can bring your ideas to life in seconds. First up, we have DALL-E by OpenAI. Known for its incredible detail and ability to understand complex prompts, DALL-E is perfect for creating realistic and imaginative images. Highly creative and detailed outputs, strong understanding of text descriptions, built-in content moderation for safer results. Limited control over specific styles requires credits for usage. Next, we have Midjourney, a favorite among digital artists and designers. If you're looking for artistic, dreamlike, and highly stylized images, this AI delivers breathtaking results. Beautiful, painterly, and unique styles, great for fantasy and concept art. Active community on Discord for collaboration. Requires Discord for access, can struggle with photorealism. Last but not least, Stable Diffusion. This AI is open source, meaning you can run it on your own computer and have full control over your images. It's great for those who want customization and privacy. Completely free and customizable. Works offline with the right setup, supports advanced editing and fine-tuning. Requires some technical knowledge, can be resource-intensive on local machines. So which one should you use? It depends on your needs. Want easy, high-quality images? DALL-E is your best bet. Prefer artistic, stylized images? Midjourney is the way to go. Need full control and customization? Stable Diffusion is perfect for you. AI image generators are pushing the boundaries of creativity like never before. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just curious about AI, these tools open up endless possibilities. What's your favorite AI image generator? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI and tech insights. See you in the next video.
What if your next favorite painting wasn't painted by a person at all? We're entering a new era of creativity, one where artificial intelligence can dream, design, and deliver stunning visuals in seconds. AI art generators like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are transforming words into brushstrokes. But is this real creativity or just clever programming? Some artists embrace AI as a tool to enhance their vision. Others worry it's replacing human expression altogether. In 2022, an AI-generated image won a fine art competition, sparking outrage and awe across the creative community. So here's the big question. Can machines really be creative, or are they just remixing the past? AI art is trained on billions of existing images, learning patterns, styles, and structures. But it doesn't feel the way a human does. There's no heartbreak behind the brush, no memory behind the melody. And yet these machines are writing poetry, composing music, even scripting entire films. So where do we draw the line between tool and artist? Is the value of art in its emotion or its effect on the viewer? Can creativity be measured in code? Or is it something only the human soul can truly possess? Whether you see it as innovation or imitation, one thing is clear. AI is redefining what it means to create. And as these systems evolve, the collaboration between human and machine might become the most powerful artistic partnership of all time. From aiding accessibility to unlocking creativity for non-artists, AI is opening doors we never imagined. So, can AI be a true artist? Or is it just holding up a mirror to our own creativity? Tell us what you think in the comments. And if you're as fascinated as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. The future of art is already here, and it's learning fast.
What if your next video game could learn from you? What if characters could remember your choices, adapt to your behavior, and respond like real people? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is artificial intelligence in gaming. AI is redefining what's possible in video games, starting with the characters we interact with. Non-playable characters, or NPCs, used to follow rigid scripts. They'd walk the same paths, say the same lines, and behave the same way every time. Today, AI-powered NPCs can adapt, react, and even learn from your actions. They analyze your behavior in real time, forming dynamic relationships that evolve throughout your journey. Your choices carry weight. Say the wrong thing, and you might lose an ally. Build trust, and characters may go above and beyond to help you. It's a whole new level of immersion. But it's not just the characters. AI is also shaping the worlds we explore. Procedural generation powered by AI allows for endless environments, each unique, full of surprises, and crafted on the fly. Imagine forests that grow and change with the seasons. Cities where citizens live out daily routines without you watching. Weather that affects gameplay and forces you to adapt. Game developers are leveraging neural networks, machine learning, and advanced behavior modeling to bring these experiences to life. AI isn't just a tool, it's a co-creator. Even enemies are getting smarter. AI opponents can learn your strategies, forcing you to evolve your playstyle. No more predictable boss fights. And as we dive deeper into virtual reality, AI becomes our guide, personalizing our adventure, making each moment feel real, and adapting to how we play. From lifelike characters to living worlds, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we play, experience, and create games. This is more than just progress. It's a new era of storytelling and immersion. Love learning about the future of gaming? Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments, what AI feature do you want to see in your favorite game?
Welcome back, gamers. If you've ever wandered through a virtual world, met a non-playable character and thought, that interaction felt real. Well, you're not imagining things. Today, we're diving into how AI is making video game NPCs smarter than ever before. These characters aren't just static figures anymore. They've evolved, learning and adapting alongside the player. So, grab your controller and let's explore the magic of AI in gaming. In the past, NPCs followed simple scripts. They might repeat the same line of dialogue or walk in a loop with no real understanding of what's going on around them. But thanks to AI advancements, NPCs can now respond intelligently to player actions, adapt to changing environments, and even make decisions that feel dynamic and unique. One key aspect of this evolution is behavioral AI. In modern games, NPCs are equipped with complex algorithms that allow them to react to the player in real time. Whether it's a friendly shopkeeper offering advice or an enemy strategically retreating in battle, these behaviors make the game world feel alive. Take, for example, procedural generation. Many open-world games like The Witcher 3 and Red Dead Redemption 2 use AI to dynamically generate quests and situations that NPCs will react to. NPCs aren't just waiting for you to tell them what to do. They have their own routines, preferences, and responses, all generated by AI. But it's not just about behavior. AI is enhancing dialogue systems too. In games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Mass Effect, NPCs engage in multi-layered conversations with the player, reacting not only to the current dialogue, but also to past interactions. They remember the player's choices and adapt their responses accordingly. That means every conversation can feel personal and immersive. What's even more fascinating is how AI is being used to create more realistic emotions in NPCs. Advanced AI-driven systems analyze player behavior and adjust NPCs' emotional responses. They might be cheerful, scared, or angry, depending on how you've interacted with them before. This helps build a deeper emotional connection to the world you're playing in, and it doesn't stop there. AI is also being used to improve combat tactics. Enemies now analyze your movements, learning your fighting style and adapting their strategy. For example, in Halo, Combat Evolved, AI enemies learn from your behavior and adjust their tactics, creating a more challenging and immersive experience. So, how does this all come together to enhance gameplay? The smarter NPCs become, the more the world feels alive. It creates opportunities for deeper storytelling, more engaging missions, and richer gameplay experiences overall. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more breakthroughs in how NPCs interact with us, becoming smarter, more autonomous, and even more unpredictable. Whether it's NPCs running their own shops, acting out complex emotional arcs, or even developing personal relationships with the player, the future of NPCs in video games is incredibly exciting. And that's it for today's deep dive into how AI is making video game NPCs smarter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our next exploration of how technology is shaping the gaming world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in the virtual world.
AI is personalizing education like never before. Thanks to machine learning algorithms, students can now access custom-tailored lessons that adapt to their strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles in real time. No two learners are the same, and now their education doesn't have to be either. Virtual tutors and AI-powered learning platforms are making education more accessible. Whether you're learning a new language or preparing for exams, AI provides instant feedback, encouragement, and guidance, anytime, anywhere. And it's not just students who benefit. Teachers are using AI tools to track student progress, identify knowledge gaps, and personalize support. This means more meaningful feedback and better outcomes for everyone involved. Around the world, AI is helping bridge educational gaps, bringing quality learning to remote areas, and supporting students with special needs through smart assistants and adaptive technologies. But this is just the beginning. In the future, AI could completely redefine classrooms, introduce immersive learning through virtual reality, and even help us rethink traditional degrees and certifications. AI isn't here to replace teachers. It's here to empower them, to inspire students, and to make education more inclusive, more engaging, and more powerful than ever before. The future of learning is smart, adaptive, and limitless. And with AI, that future is already here. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and education, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on how technology is shaping our world.
Imagine walking into an art gallery, but instead of human artists, the works you see are created by machines. That's right, AI is stepping into the world of art, and it's changing everything. From paintings to music compositions and even storytelling, artificial intelligence is creating masterpieces that were once thought impossible for anything other than human hands. But how does it work? Can a machine really capture emotion, creativity, and vision, just like a human artist? Well, today, we're going to explore how AI is revolutionizing the art world by creating stunning visual art, writing poetry, and even composing music. Let's dive into the fascinating intersection of technology and creativity. AI systems like DALL-E, DeepArt, and ArtBreeder are already creating impressive visual art. These machines are trained on thousands of images, learning everything from color theory to texture and style. Some can even mimic famous artists' techniques. Whether it's abstract, surreal, or photorealistic, these AI creations blur the lines between man-made and machine-made. But it doesn't stop there. AI is also composing music. Thanks to machine learning models like OpenAI's MuseNet, AI can create music that spans across genres, from classical symphonies to modern pop hits. It listens to and learns from millions of tracks, then produces something that sounds fresh and unique. And sometimes, it even challenges our perceptions of what good music is. And when it comes to writing, AI is showing its literary talents too. AI programs like GPT-3 are generating stories, poems, and even entire novels. They can craft intricate narratives, develop characters, and create dialogue, all while learning from the works of the greatest writers in history. But the question remains, can an AI truly understand the emotions behind its words? While AI's role in art raises many questions, it also opens up new opportunities for collaboration. Artists are using AI as a tool, blending their creativity with the computational power of these machines. It's a partnership that allows for the creation of truly innovative art that no one could have imagined before. But here's the big question. If AI can create art, do we still value human creativity? Or will we begin to view machines as the new artists of the future? It's a debate that challenges our understanding of creativity itself. And then there's the business side of things. AI art is already being sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars at auctions. So, where do we draw the line between what's art and what's just a machine-produced product? Will AI artists replace human ones, or will they just become a new form of artistic expression? As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, one thing is clear: the future of art is evolving, and machines are playing a larger role than ever. Whether you're an artist, a music lover, or a fan of technology, the question is, how will you embrace the AI revolution in the world of art? AI in art is just getting started, and we can't wait to see where it goes next. From AI-generated paintings that make us rethink the meaning of creativity, to music and literature that spark new ideas, the possibilities are endless. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on the fascinating world of AI. See you next time, where we explore more ways AI is changing the world.
Video games have come a long way, from pixelated sprites and fixed storylines to massive open worlds and emotionally driven narratives. But now, we're entering a whole new level. Welcome to the future of interactive entertainment, where artificial intelligence powers the game. Once limited to predictable enemy behavior or simple dialogue trees, AI in games has transformed dramatically. Now it's the engine behind NPCs that adapt and respond in real time, worlds that build themselves around you, and storylines that evolve with your choices. And it's not just about realism, it's about personalization. Games are becoming dynamic experiences, designed not just to entertain, but to learn you, your style, your decisions, even your mood. Remember when NPCs used to repeat the same line over and over again? Thanks to AI and natural language processing, that's changing fast. Today, we're seeing the rise of intelligent, conversational NPCs that can hold fluid, unscripted conversations with players, even react to tone and emotion. Imagine stepping into a fantasy world and actually talking to your party members like real companions. Some games are even using AI voice generation to create characters who sound different depending on how they feel toward you. With AI procedural generation, no two players need to have the same journey. Entire landscapes, quests, enemies, even story arcs can be dynamically created based on your behavior, past choices, and in-game interactions. Games like No Man's Sky, Minecraft, and newer titles are just scratching the surface of this tech. In the future, AI can help craft fully personalized worlds that evolve with you over weeks, months, or even years of gameplay. AI also brings us closer to emotional immersion. We're seeing the development of in-game companions that grow with the player, like a best friend, a rival, or even a love interest, all shaped by how you treat them. It's not just storytelling anymore. It's living relationships powered by machine learning. You're not following a script. You're creating it. With AI integrated into virtual reality, gesture recognition, and even voice control, you might soon be able to speak commands in real time, cast spells by whispering them, or change the outcome of a mission based on a single decision, detected by your voice's tone. Games become more human, more intuitive, and more alive. We're only at the beginning. As AI becomes more advanced, we'll likely see entire games developed in real time based on player input, full voice-to-voice RPGs with no written dialogue, entirely autonomous in-game societies, and emotionally adaptive experiences based on biometric feedback. Gaming won't just be entertainment anymore. It'll be interaction, immersion, and even self-discovery. The line between player and world is blurring. With AI, we're not just playing games, we're shaping them. So get ready. The future of interactive entertainment is here, and it's smarter, deeper, and more personal than ever before. What do you think the perfect AI-powered game would look like? Drop your dream game in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more future-forward content on gaming and technology. Thanks for watching. Let's level up together. Have you ever wondered what it takes to build your own AI system from scratch? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes, step by step, as I create my very own AI project. No jargon, no crazy theories, just real, hands-on learning. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your goal. Before writing a single line of code, you need to know what your AI is supposed to do. Will it recognize images, predict trends, Chat like a human? Setting a clear objective is the foundation of any successful AI system. Step 2. Data is everything. Your AI learns from examples, so you need the right kind of data, and lots of it. I'll show you where I got my data set and how I cleaned it to make sure it's ready for training. Step 3. Pick your model. Depending on your project, you might use a simple decision tree, a neural network, or something even more advanced. Don't worry, I'll explain the basics so you can choose the best model for your needs. Step 4. Training time. Here's where the magic happens. We'll feed the data to our model and let it learn, making adjustments and tuning parameters along the way. It's a bit like teaching a toddler how to walk. A lot of trial, a lot of patience. Step 5. Test, test, test. Once trained, your AI needs to be evaluated to see how well it performs. We'll check accuracy, find weaknesses, and refine the system until it's running smoothly. Step 6. Deployment. Time to take your AI from your laptop into the real world. Whether it's a web app, a mobile app, or an internal tool, I'll show you how to get it up and running. And that's it, the full journey of building an AI system from idea to reality. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own AI project, it's absolutely possible, one step at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to see more behind-the-scenes AI adventures. See you in the next one. Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction. They're becoming reality, and AI is leading the way. But how do autonomous vehicles actually work? And what will the future of transportation look like with AI at the wheel? Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered autonomous vehicles and how they're revolutionizing the way we move. Let's hit the road. At the core of every self-driving car is artificial intelligence. These vehicles use a combination of machine learning, computer vision, and sensor fusion to interpret their surroundings and make real-time driving decisions. LiDAR and cameras detect objects, lane markings, and pedestrians. Machine learning algorithms analyze massive amounts of driving data. Real-time decision-making allows them to predict and respond to road conditions. AI is constantly learning from millions of miles driven by test vehicles, making it smarter and safer every day. Autonomous vehicles aren't all the same. The Society of Automotive Engineers defines 6 levels of automation. Level 0 is no automation, fully human-controlled. Level 1 is basic driver assistance, like adaptive cruise control. Level 2 is partial automation, where cars can steer and accelerate but need supervision. Level 3 is conditional automation, where they can drive themselves in certain conditions. Level 4 is high automation, fully self-driving in specific areas. Level 5 is full automation, with no human intervention needed anywhere. Right now, we're transitioning between levels 2 and 3, but major advancements are pushing us toward fully self-driving cars. Why are self-driving cars such a big deal? AI-powered vehicles could bring massive improvements to our daily lives. Enhanced safety means AI reacts faster than humans, reducing accidents. Reduced traffic congestion can be achieved through optimized driving patterns that ease gridlock. Greater accessibility allows people who can't drive to have more freedom. Lower emissions result from smarter driving that can improve fuel efficiency and sustainability. Of course, we're not there yet. Autonomous vehicles still face major challenges, including regulatory issues where governments need to establish clear rules. Ethical dilemmas arise regarding how AI should handle emergency situations. Cybersecurity risks involve protecting self-driving cars from hackers. Public trust is crucial. Will people feel comfortable letting AI drive for them? As AI technology improves, companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are working hard to overcome these hurdles and bring fully autonomous vehicles to the mainstream. The future of transportation is being shaped by AI, and self-driving cars are just the beginning. As technology advances, we're moving closer to a world where commuting is safer, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. What do you think about AI-powered cars? Would you trust an autonomous vehicle to drive you? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the future of technology.
Welcome back, creative minds. Today we're diving into a topic that's been sparking debates and exciting innovations alike. Can AI be creative? For centuries, creativity has been seen as a uniquely human trait, something that stems from our emotions, experiences, and imagination. But what if I told you that machines are now exploring creativity in ways that are changing the game? From stunning works of art to complex musical compositions, artificial intelligence is starting to create things that are pushing the boundaries of traditional creativity. But how exactly is AI making this happen? And the big question, can AI truly be considered creative? Let's find out. First up, AI and visual art. Have you ever seen a painting created by a machine? Thanks to advances in machine learning, AI can now generate artwork that looks as if it was painted by a human artist. AI tools like DALL-E and DeepArt use complex algorithms and neural networks to create new images based on input from a user, blending elements in ways that feel surprisingly fresh and unique. But it doesn't stop there. Some AI art is designed to learn from real-world artists and recreate their styles, or even combine multiple styles into something entirely new. It raises a fascinating question. Is AI just replicating human creativity, or is it creating something entirely original? That's the million-dollar question. Now let's shift gears to AI and music. Music, just like art, has long been a domain for human emotion, expression, and imagination. Yet, AI has been making waves in this area too. Tools like OpenAI's MuseNet and IVA can compose original pieces of music across various genres, from classical to jazz to pop. These AI systems analyze patterns in existing music and use that knowledge to create their own compositions. It's incredible to think that an AI can compose a symphony or write a pop song with a melody and rhythm that flows naturally. But just like with art, the question arises, is the AI truly creating something innovative, or is it simply remixing what it has learned from human creators? And it's not just visual art and music that AI is tackling. AI is also getting into writing, from poetry to news articles. Tools like GPT-3 have demonstrated the ability to write coherent, creative, and even moving pieces of text. Some AI-written poetry has even been published alongside works by human poets. So, what does all this mean for creativity? Is AI truly a creator in its own right? Well, it all comes down to perspective. While AI has the capability to generate content that can feel deeply creative, it still relies on humans to teach it, guide it, and provide the data. AI doesn't experience emotions or have intentions the way humans do. Instead, it operates based on patterns, data, and algorithms. But here's the exciting part. AI isn't just replacing human creativity, it's complementing it. Artists, musicians, and writers are now using AI as a tool to enhance their own creativity. It's a collaboration, not a replacement. AI can help creators explore new possibilities, find inspiration, and break free from traditional boundaries. In fact, many artists are using AI to help them push their craft in ways that were never possible before. Imagine creating music that shifts and adapts based on how you're feeling, or designing artwork that changes every time you interact with it. The possibilities are endless. So, where does this leave us? Well, the future of AI in the creative world is looking bright. With ongoing advancements, AI might one day become an even more integral part of the creative process, expanding the way we think about art, music, and storytelling. But is AI truly creative? That depends on how you define creativity. Is it about new ideas? About expression? About connecting with others? Or is it just about breaking patterns and creating something unique? We may never know the full answer, but one thing's for sure, AI is definitely changing the way we create, and that's something worth getting excited about. Thanks for joining us today on this deep dive into AI and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all things AI. Until next time, keep creating.
What if you could teach a machine to play your favorite game? Not just press buttons, but actually learn how to win, adapt to new challenges, and even surprise you? Welcome to the incredible world of training AI to game, where science meets strategy, and every line of code is a step closer to digital mastery. At first, it doesn't look promising. The AI jumps too early, crashes into walls, or just stands still. But behind these awkward fails, a learning process is already in motion. The magic happens through reinforcement learning. It's a method where the AI learns by trial and error, just like we do. Every time it makes the right move, it gets a reward. Every time it messes up, a penalty. And slowly, the AI begins to figure things out. One flap at a time, it starts to improve. Until suddenly, the same AI that once crashed on the first pipe is soaring through the game like a pro. But what happens when you push AI to its limits? When it starts playing games that take humans years to master? That's when things get really interesting. In just a few days of training or millions of self-played matches, AI can develop strategies that not only beat top players, but completely redefine how we understand the game. The key isn't programming every move, it's designing systems that learn how to learn. And the tools to do this, they're becoming more accessible every day. With platforms like Unity ML Agents, you can start building environments where your AI learns to jump, dodge, collect points, whatever you design. No supercomputer required. Just passion, creativity, and a bit of patience. Can you really train an AI at home? Absolutely. It might start off slow, but with time, you'll see real progress. You'll watch a digital mind grow, and it's both thrilling and a little surreal. The evolution is wild, from clueless to capable, and sometimes even unbeatable. Training AI isn't just about creating the next unbeatable bot. It's about understanding intelligence, decision-making, and what it means to learn. Every experiment teaches us more, not just about machines, but about ourselves. So, can you teach a machine to play a game? Yes. And you might just discover a new passion along the way. Like this video if you're into gaming or AI. Subscribe for more mind-blowing content and comment below the game you want to see an AI learn next. Let's train the future one level at a time. Animation has come a long way, from hand-drawn sketches to cutting-edge 3D visuals. But now, artificial intelligence is taking animation to the next level. From automating tedious tasks to creating entire scenes, AI is reshaping the way animated movies and cartoons are made. So how exactly is AI revolutionizing animation? Let's dive in. AI is streamlining animation production by automating movement and character rigging. Motion capture powered by AI can track human movements and apply them instantly to animated characters, making the animation process faster and more realistic. Creating new characters and worlds from scratch can be time-consuming, but AI can generate unique designs, textures, and environments in seconds. Artists can now use AI to speed up their creative process while maintaining their artistic vision. AI is making lip-syncing effortless. Instead of manually animating mouth movements for dialogue, AI can automatically sync character lips to voiceovers. Some AI tools can even generate realistic voice acting, reducing the need for extensive recording sessions. AI is breathing new life into animation. It can upscale older cartoons, improve frame rates for smoother motion, and enhance details in both 2D and 3D animation, giving classic animations a fresh, modern look. AI is revolutionizing visual effects and lighting by automating complex processes. It can generate realistic lighting and shading in real time, making animated scenes more visually stunning with less manual effort. Before animation even begins, AI can assist in storyboarding and pre-visualization. AI tools can generate storyboards based on script input, helping directors and animators visualize scenes before production starts. AI isn't replacing animators, it's empowering them. By automating repetitive tasks and enhancing creativity, AI is shaping the future of animation in ways we've never seen before. What do you think about AI and animation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and art. Welcome to the future of customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming the way businesses interact with customers. But how exactly does this technology work, and what does it mean for both businesses and consumers? Let's dive in. Gone are the days of waiting on hold for hours. AI-driven customer support is reshaping the industry by providing instant responses, 24/7 availability, and personalized interactions. Companies are increasingly relying on AI to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. Chatbots are now the go-to solution for handling routine inquiries. From answering FAQs to processing orders and troubleshooting common issues, AI chatbots can manage a high volume of customer requests without human intervention. Brands like Amazon, Shopify, and even airlines are using chatbots to streamline support and reduce wait times. While chatbots handle simple queries, virtual assistants take customer service to the next level. Tools like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are integrating with businesses to provide seamless support. These AI-driven assistants can schedule appointments, offer recommendations, and even provide multilingual support. One of the biggest advantages of AI in customer service is personalization. AI analyzes customer data and past interactions to deliver tailored responses and recommendations. This means customers receive help that feels personal and relevant, making interactions smoother and more enjoyable. For businesses, AI-powered support means cost savings, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction. For customers, it means faster resolutions, 24/7 access, and more personalized experiences. It's a win-win situation. What's next for AI in customer service? Expect even smarter virtual assistants, enhanced emotional intelligence in chatbots, and seamless integration across multiple platforms. AI will continue to evolve, making customer interactions more human-like than ever before. AI is not just changing customer service, it's revolutionizing it. As businesses continue to adopt AI-powered solutions, customer experiences will become more efficient, personalized, and accessible. What do you think about AI in customer service? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. See you in the next video. Have you ever wondered how your favorite video games seem to know exactly what you're going to do next? How enemies flank you with strategy? How teammates support you just in time? How characters react like real people? Well, the answer is simple: artificial intelligence. But not the kind trying to take over the world. We're talking about the clever algorithms quietly running in the background, shaping your entire gameplay experience. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden tech that brings your games to life. This is exploring the AI behind your favorite games. What's really going on? First up, NPCs, non-player characters. They used to stand still, repeat the same lines, and walk into walls. Now, they can chase, hide, plan, or even form opinions about you. That's decision trees, path-finding algorithms, and behavioral AI in action. Games like The Last of Us, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Elden Ring have NPCs that feel almost human, learning from your behavior and adapting in real time. Then there's strategic AI. Think of the enemies in RTS games who don't just attack, they strategize. They scout your base, adjust their tactics, and counter your every move. That's AI mimicking real players, and sometimes outsmarting them. Ever explore a world that seems endless? That's procedural generation, AI creating terrain, quests, even entire planets on the fly. No two players have the same experience because the world is building around you. Let's talk story. AI is now shaping interactive storytelling where your choices truly matter. Characters remember what you said. Relationships shift. Endings change. It's not just a story anymore, it's your story. From smarter enemies and dynamic stories to infinite worlds and emotional companions, AI is the invisible co-creator behind the magic. And it's only getting smarter. So next time you game, remember, behind every epic battle, lifelike character, and unexpected twist, there's a whole world of AI working hard to make your experience unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which games AI blew your mind.